Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we have a nice big chunky union padlock, branded with the ESSA alloy on there as well, made in England. It's 55mm, nice chunky 10mm boron shackle on it. So not a bad keyway. Looks like a smaller version of the wire one. There's the bitting on the key, quite up and downy. All works quite nicely. So there we are, all locked up. Let's get the vice in here and give this one a try. So the bottom of the keyway on this one is actually quite recessed in because of the big plate over here. I'm just using my little shallow hook and we'll go in and see what we can find. So there's nothing on one, nothing on two, right, click on 3, 4, nothing there, 6, 5. It's quite a tight little keyway on here. 1, 2, 3. Nothing on 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Wasn't getting much feedback from it, so I'm not sure if there's much in the way of security pins in here or not. Let's get the pinning tray in. And see what it has got inside. So this one we need, there we go, it is open. We have a grub screw in the side which holds the shackle in place. That comes out, and then down on the side that holds the shackle in we have a larger grub screw. And there we go, everything comes out. So that is all of that. And as you can see, it's quite an unusual core because the outside of the core is like a standard size, like a Euro sort of size, but the Bible is more the padlock size, and so is the barrel inside the core. Right, we need some pliers. Let's try these. That's it. Let's come off. And where are we? Pins are there. Let's try that. Follower. That one there. Hopefully that should do the trick. There we go. So we have all 6 pins. Everything populated. That's the standard standard, 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 standard. Just lost my tweezers now. Well prepared again. Where have my tweezers gone? There. And start at the front. You can see how thick the walls of that are. And we have standard in 1, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, standard in 5, and a standard in 6. So all pretty bog standard, but like I say, just an unusual core. There's a little bit of countersinking on top of everything on there. Can we get that to focus? There we go. But that's about it. So not the most difficult of picks, but definitely some potential there. I might play around with some pins in the future and see what we can get out of it. So that was the nice big chunky Union, all done. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.